Hi again, it's ApriLynn. Today we are going to be testing out these Kiss Falscara, the newer version. This one's supposed to last up to 10 days. The other ones that I've used before are technically only supposed to last the 1 day. And I love the other Falscara ones, so I'm hoping I love these. So we're going to test them out. I love the packaging. It's the cutest thing in all the land. I got this from Target because I couldn't find it anywhere else because it was sold out on their website, but I just checked and it's back in stock on their website, but they also have it at Target. That's the only other place I could find it. And it is $24.99. You get 24 assorted size lashes. Let's open this. Oh, look at this tweezer thing. That is beautiful color. My favorite color is purple. Like Hello Kitty's face. Beautiful. Comes with like the bended lash or tweezers. These work the best for, I think, applying lashes. Then it comes with, what is this? Ooh, this has never happened before. Remover. All the lashes are, whoa, it must have like oil in it. All the lash kits I've ever gotten never come with a remover. Then it comes with the little, dude, I can't get over this color scheme. Can you see that? The light's kind of reflecting on it. I'll take a video on my phone. It's like blue ombre purple. It's gorgeous. Beautiful. Ah! Gorgeous, gorgeous. The Bond and Seal. Let's open it. Oh, it's curvy. It's like a little mascara spoolie brush that you like put on, kind of like mascara. If you haven't seen my other lash videos, put the eyelashes on. And this is the seal. This you put on after you put your lashes on, and it's supposed to keep it to stay longer. And then lastly, besides the lash part, it comes with overnight stuff. Overnighter. Let's open this. Whoa. Oh, it's black. Looks kind of like a liquid liner pen. I don't really know. I've never used something like this. Reinforced with overnighter. Oh, I wonder if you put this on your, I don't know. Maybe I should just read the instructions. Before we get started, I wanted to show you this cup I got, or mug. It has nothing to do with this video, but I'm excited about it. Oh, come on, focus. It says Hello Pumpkin, and it's as big as my head. I love massive mugs, and I got this from Hobby Lobby. Anyways, that has nothing to do with the video. I just was excited. Okay, let's read the instructions. If you can mascara, you can Falscara. Brush a light coat of Bond on natural lashes. A little goes a long way. Wisp under lashes. Use the included Falscara applicator to pluck a wisp from the tray. Pick up a wisp from the middle, outer, blah, 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 blah. One by one, gently place the wisp underneath the base of your natural lashes, slightly away from the waterline. Seal the deal. Dab on a thin coat of seal under wisps. This final touch eliminates any sticky residue and holds Falscara wisps in place. If you use this type of lashes before, you know that the glue is super sticky and it like literally never dries. So we'll see. It's probably not going to be, it's probably still going to be semi sticky because I have not found a glue like this that isn't still somewhat sticky. Optional. When using the overnighter for extended wear, apply an additional thin layer under the wisps, slightly away from the wisp bands. Reapply 2 to 3 additional coats for maximum strength as needed. Okay, let's do this. Get my hair out of my face. My hair's wet, so. Spotlight. Do I want to zoom you in real nice and close to my hideous face? Underneath, like mascara. I can't see very well. Cue the water right now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we're starting with the outer corner. I grabbed the medium. Make lashes like this dead because they're so freaking easy. Except for when you're trying to record. Those look very natural. No, I like that. Focus on my face. Very, like, if I naturally had longer lashes and I was wearing mascara look. I like it. That was super, super quick, if you noticed. Now we're gonna put the seal on this one. And do the other eye. Dude, lashes are just magic, I think. If you need, you could also go like this to see where you want to place it. Medium. These are very light and I cannot feel them at all. And shorty patorty. Ooh, gorgeous. That was super quick. So if I use 3 every time, that means I would still have 3 more sets. As you can see, it's still sticky. Pretty much what this type of glue does. In like every brand. Okay, now for this crazy overnighter stuff. I feel like I'm gonna have to do this because I'm scared. I don't really know what this is. It said to do 3 coats. So 1. Am I supposed to let it dry? Okay, that's what it looks like. This is what the lashes look like. That overnighter stuff got on my bottom lashes. Very natural. Pretty. I think I need to let these dry. Try not to blink hard. Now we're gonna see how long they last. I like them so far. They feel very light. They're very like wispy. If you like the natural look. You could probably use different lashes with these products, you know? Different wisps. I like it. I like it. Very gorgeous. This eye is my favorite. This eye, I always get one good like perfect eye. And then this front one is not my favorite, but it still looks okay. It's fine, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Bam. But bam. My bottom eyelashes have overnighter. So this is what they look like far away. Pretty. Let's see how long these last. Mostly I can't get lashes like this type of type of glue to last longer than like 5 days. I know you probably shouldn't get your lashes wet with like the first 24 hours, and then try not to do direct water. Is what I've heard. So. Ugh. Oh. I don't know why this piece of my hair is like whatever it's doing. Oh, I just love having lashes. It looks so good even when I don't. Okay, stop looking at yourself and go. Dude, I don't know what's going on with my bangs. There we go. Good enough. Okay, see you when they come off. And we'll test the remover when one falls off or something like that. Okay, bye. I'm back. It is day 9, but it's a morning, so I'd say 8 days that they've last. Most of them last. One fell off of this one in the front, and one fell off this one in the back. So they've lost 8 days, and I wasn't the super gentlest on them. I really like them. Let's try out the remover on the other ones. Take something and put the remover on, saturate with the remover. Wonder if this is gonna burn. Hold over your eye for 10 seconds. And then wipe away. Those came off. What's the real question is it going to take the bond off? That's what I always have the trouble with. Not really the wisps, but the bond. It feels kind of like a oil to me. Soft. Doesn't burn. Did I get everything? Dude, that was so quick. Most of the time I can't get the bond off. Show you everything. Now let's do this eye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was very gentle. This is what it looks like without rubbing afterwards. There's a little bit of bond, so we're gonna rub that off. Gone. That was like the gentlest removing ever. Oh my, I look hideous. That was quick, that was easy, that was very gentle, and it took off the bond. That's the main thing that I always have problems with, is that it doesn't take up the bond off. And then my lashes are sticky. So, my thoughts about this. I love it. Number 1, obviously the application, my dogs are being so loud, is so easy, as you saw. Quick. Number 2, you drinking water. You drink water in my video. Mama. Mommy. Number 2. It was so light on my eyes. I couldn't even feel the lashes on my eyes. So I kept forgetting that I had them on. Like, I took a shower, and normally I don't submerge my lashes underwater, but I forgot that I had them on, and I submerged them. And they lasted 8 days still after submerging. I would personally prefer a more dramatic, like the strips, wisps, but that has nothing, that's just me, and I'm sure you can use all of the Kiss lashes with this application. These probably have lost the longest out of any lashes that I've ever tried. Shh. Shh. They lasted 8 days, and I was not very gentle on them, and I like them so much. Normally this type of like applicator glue is sticky. If you tried the other Falscara one or Lashify, the glue's sticky, so your lashes are kind of sticky. After like the first day it was sticky, but the next day on, it was not sticky at all. Like, I could touch it, I could squeeze my eyes shut. Normally if I squeezed my eyes shut, my lashes would like stick to my eyelash or my lid. The glue wasn't sticky. So my personal opinion, this is my favoriteest. This is my top favorite lash extensions I've ever done. And it comes with multiple wisps, so you get multiple layers. 10 out of 10 for me. 10 out of 10 for me. I honestly, the only negative I had about the whole entire thing is, and it's not even a negative, it's just my personal preference, is I would wish the lashes were, they had a option to get more dramatic. And that's not even a negative. That's just me. It felt like my lashes. Felt like nothing. I love it. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video. I look like I need to go to bed again. I'm really tired. I need coffee. Bye. Pew pew pew. Pew pew pew. Pew pew pew.
Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon.